Juang 45 Museum.
Before we enter the museum, we will introduce ourselves. First, my name is Anita.
My name is Harana Musafri. My name is Siva Alisa Kristiani.
My name is Adina Hilalaji.
Happy watching!
Bye!
Let's go! The capital city of Jakarta has a number of history museums, one of which is Gedung Juang 45. Gedung Juang 45 Museum may not be as big as other museums in Jakarta, but its existence is a silent witness to the history of Indonesia's struggle for independence in 1945. Gedung Juang 45 is located on Jalan Menteng Raya, number 31, Central Jakarta. The architecture of the museum is Dutch style, characterized by tall and large pillars at the front of the building. In addition, there are large and long windows on the left, center, and right, with the dominance of white building paint. The building itself was built by Dutch architects and has changed its name several times before having its current name.
At first, Gedung Juang was named Hotel Scomper. The design of the Scomper Hotel was designed by a Dutch businessman named L.C. Scomper in 1939. The construction of the hotel was intended as a resting place for high-ranking Dutch officials, foreign businessmen and native officials when visiting Batavia. Along the way, the Scomper family had to give up their hotel due to the unconditional surrender of the Dutch East Indies government to Japan on March 8, 1942. The Japanese who ruled at the time then confiscated all assets owned by the Dutch. Hotel Scomper, owned by LC, was no exception. With the first change of ownership, the building function and name were practically changed by Japanese. The Scomper family also had to enter an internment camp, a detention camp for civilians and military when Japanese was in office.
Part of that assets by the Japanese was carried out by Gunsei Kanbu Sentenbu, Japanese propaganda agency in July 1942. With Gunsei Kanbu Sentenbu's permission, the confiscated hotel was turned into a dormitory for Indonesian youth called Asrama Angkatan Baru Indonesia or Dormitory 31. The dormitory became a place of political education for Indonesian youth such as Sulikana, Chairul Saleh, Adam Malik, Aidit, and so on. They were educated to become political cadres who support the interests of Greater East Asia. This political education was then utilized by national figures to support the interests of the Greater East Asia.
During the New Order era, the former hotel and their mortuary functioned as the headquarters of the Greater Jakarta Indonesia Student Youth Action Union. However, from 1968 to 1972, the building changed its function to become the center of veteran Force 45 activities. It was only on August 19, 1974 that President Soekarno, together with DKI Jakarta Governor Ali Sadikin, inaugurated the building as Juang 45
cross is a symbol of honor for the main class star. Achieved by Dr. Andes Haji Suharto when the President of Mexico, Don Adolfo Lopez Mateos, visited Indonesia in 1962. This is memorabilia Dr. Andes Haji Suharto, Bung Karno private doctor as Bung Karno personal doctor for almost a quarter of a century since 1942. He witnessed various events related to the fate of the nation and national problems.
This is United States Warship USS Renville Mediator. Negotiation between the Indonesian and Dutch declaration on the American ship Renville on December 8, 1947. Renville was the name of United States Navy transport ship that docked at the port of Tanjung Priok, Jakarta on December 2, 1947. On the deck of this ship, negotiations were held between Indonesia and the Netherlands, which later resulted in the draft agreement known as the Renville Agreement.
This trip was used by the Student Republic of Indonesian Army or TRIP to carry out physical action at defending Indonesian independence. Young men who were still in their pen took part in the struggle and fought against the invading or British and Dutch troops. Army uniformment. Homeland Defense Army abbreviated Beta informed military unit of Japan during the Japanese occupation in Indonesia. MAP was formed on October 3, 1943. Beta, widely regarded as one of the forerunners of the Indonesian National Army. And then this samurai Gunto replica. This Japanese word Gunto is standard military equipment different from the AD output as Shin Gunto and the Navy as Kai Gunto or Kai Gun Navy or rope ornaments or tassels were made from silk and cotton, determining the rank of the ownership on September 23, 1945. The leadership of the Japanese army handed over 3 Gunto blades to the Allies in Kupang, which meant handing over power to the Allies. This is literature General Sudirman. In the last moments, in the health of the great General Sudirman, guerrilla diminution, so he had to be on a stretcher to carry guerrilla until time to go back to Jogja in July 1949. And then closest trip, used by the Army of the Republic of Indonesia Student or TRIP to perform physical actions intended to maintain the independence of Indonesia. Young men, still in their teens, actively participate in the struggle and fighting the Allies in English and then Dutch Army. This is refers to originals used by the company named Johann Johor, owned by a businessman by Bung Hatta in carrying out state duties as president. Then, during the reign of Indonesia moved to Yogyakarta. The car also participated accompany Bung Hatta there. At the time, the Indonesian government returned to Jakarta. Don't miss this two red car back to the capital, also transport by train. Finally, on August 20, 1975, by Bung Hatta, car was handed over to DHN Force 45 to be a collection Museum Juang 45.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video was made to fulfill the English achievement.
The description of the place, Museum Juang 45.
Thank you everyone. Bye.
That's our explanation of some of the items in the Juang 45 Museum.
Thank you for watching everyone. Bye.